And what does it mean by nature? Nature is something miraculous stuff. It keeps on changing every now and then, constantly changing, right? The things around us are not in the same situation always. They keep on and on and on changing. Tomorrow, you see a tree what you have seen today in a different way. What you have seen yesterday won't be the same way today. Everywhere, everything in the world keeps changing. But when it changes, it adds beauty with it. You see anything, last couple of years before, we traveled all around US during the winter. It was so beautiful. When we traveled during the summer, then the nature was so beautiful. The trees are green, and sometimes we saw beautiful colors, the eastern colors in the nature. When we have been towards the Pittsburgh and the area like that, we saw such a kind of beauty with the trees, with the leaves, with the colors and everything. But in the winter, there won't be any kind of leaves. Just trees are standing like sticks. But that look is so beautiful because there is a beautiful snow and the trees are standing without any leaves, telling us, hey, this is the life. Sometimes you may be like this, but don't think that it remains that way. Again the bloom starts. Again you see the leaves. Again you see the greenery. And when there is greenery all around, and again, don't become overwhelmed. Oh, I am so beautiful. Next season again comes, and again you have to stand this way. So nothing is always in the same state. Everything is in a state of flux, keeps on and on changing. But that itself is a beauty. We see the beauty in the nature because it is the divine form of God Himself. It is the divine form of God. Ramayana, Valmiki says, Jagat Sarvam Sariram Te. Hey Lord, the universe is nothing but your form, your divine body. You are indweller of this, and your beauty is seen in multiple forms whenever just we look around. But we don't connect it to God. We think it is the beauty of the nature. True, beauty is there with the nature, but the beauty comes because there is God inside. It is His beauty seen in that form. And we are connected to that. And we know that we are formed from that also. Our ancestors are not monkeys, not apes. Our ancestors are rishis, great sages. And they came from God Himself. So we are the children of God, my friends. Remember, we are from God. God is our ancestor. Veda beautifully addresses us in one of its mantras, Srunvantu Visve Amrutasya Putraha. We are Amrutasya Putraha. Amruta is eternal one. And we are that eternal one, God. We are His children. We came from Him. We are the products of God. Then you can understand how great we are. But we forgot that. and then we are thinking that we are something mundane. No, not at all. We are all divine. Not only we are from God, but God is there even within us also, giving us energy, giving us strength, giving us so many capabilities to do many things. And He is with us. People around us may leave us someday. Some people may be with us and some people may not be there with us tomorrow. But there is only one who never leaves us, is God. He is with us, within us, and He never leaves. Even we leave this body and go, still He carries us. He is an eternal companion. He is a friend. He takes care of everything for us. So He is, everything means He is taking care of us like Father. He shares love like Mother. He shares good things like a friend. And He protects. He does everything for us.